Hello everyone, in this video we will see how you can use environment and variables in KushoAI. So an environment is a setup that defines where and how your API test runs. So it includes settings and variables that let you test the same API in different setups, for example, production or staging without changing the test itself. And variables are stored reusable values in your test, like URLs or tokens, and they help you avoid hard coding data and make tests easier to update and reuse. So let's see how you can use them. So first I will click on manage workspace button over here and click on environments. So here you can see my existing environments. You can create one by clicking on the create environment button, and you can just give it some name and description, and just click on create. So now you can create variables here. So you have to click on the variables button over here and add variables, and you can just give them a name and the key and the value basically. So I will just show you an example. So for example, this I created a prod one, so I have created name, bank ID and money and those kind of things you can see. So let's test it in a test suite. So I have this banking API with me, and I'm using prod only. So as you can see, the variables are here, and you can add variables from this button over here as well. So I will click on the details, and instead of this hard coded value of bank ID, I will just give it the variable one. So I have to give two brackets, then the name of the variable and close it, save, edit this test only for now. And after this is here in the response request body, you can click on run, and yeah, here you go. So it is giving us the status scores of 200, so it means it's working fine. And yeah, so another method to add environment and variables is also like you can click on the environment ID over here and it will lead you to this page. Or if you want to change your environment, you can just select it from here as well, and you can just add variables to it from here as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.